Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool, amazing product. And basically what this is a moisture absorber. So you basically want to just hang this onto your closet or wherever you want to hang it to absorb like the odor and also the moisture in the room. And this is actually really cool because you guys can actually see the moisture being absorbed compared to like the shoe deodorizers or whatever where you can actually hang onto your closet or your shoe. Those just absorbs like the odor and everything, but you don't actually see what's happening. But the one that we got right here is from the brand called Vacplus. You can see right here. So first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so you guys first open up, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So this one actually comes in a pack of 10 of these. So let me actually just take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so this is basically one pack right here, and there's a total of 10 of these. So what you guys want to do is open up one of these bags and then just hang onto the closet or wherever you guys want to use it. If you haven't seen it back right here, they also do provide you guys instruction to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. But basically what I'm going to do is just rip off this part first. So let me actually do that first. Alright, so once you guys rip it off, you guys want to take it out. Alright, so it should look something like this. So inside this part right here is basically the moisture absorbers. And basically once it absorbs all like the moisture and everything, it would fall down here. So you can definitely see a lot of water in here over time. And obviously the top part right here is where you guys want to hang on to your rod in your shower, your closet, or whatever. So if you guys do plan on putting it into your closet, you probably need to get 3 or 4 bags of these to hang it in there. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go install this to show you guys how it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the hanging bag moisture absorber. So what you guys want to do is just hang it wherever you guys want in your closet. So if you guys want to hang it here, just go like that and just leave like 3 or 4 of them into your room. But basically like I mentioned earlier, what this is actually helpful for is to actually absorb like the moisture and also remove any kind of like odor that's in your room if there is any odor. Obviously right now you guys won't know. It doesn't happen like immediately. It'll probably take some time, like maybe a week to a month or a year. It just really depends on how humid and how moist your room is. If it's not humid, it's not moist, then you guys would know because there's no moisture or whatever that's inside the bottom part right here. But this is basically how you guys use the product right here. Alright, welcome back guys. Obviously you cannot see the result right now because I have to wait a few days to see the result to see what actually works or not. But I actually used it before and I've seen the results. I just didn't record it back then when I first used it. But definitely after seeing the result of how much water actually absorbed, it makes you kind of think about like, whoa, there's so much moisture throughout like your room and just everywhere. And if you think about how much moisture is in your closet, that's actually pretty shocking. But I definitely have to do a like update video to show you guys what it actually looks like now versus a few days, a few weeks, and a few months to really test it out and show you guys how well it works. Based on everything that I can see right now and from past results, I would have to say that these are pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.